The main topic for this season is we are continuing with our long-term customers and partners. Also, we want to mention that Er Srbija returned back to our base maintenance plan and the base maintenance project. The first one was in September, the second one will be in February. So we continue with our long-term partner. One of the most important is Wizz Air, who is behind us. Besides Wizz Air, we have the Corendon, Boingovog, a Flight to Sky. So all the customers who is here 3 and more years.
We are in a very fortunate situation that we have a number of repeat customers this season again, and we very much value them. At the same time, we are trying to open up for business for additional customers, and as you know, we have 12 slots in Jat. Today we are only actively using 7 out of the 12, and the other one on ad hoc basis, but going forward with the additional headcount, we believe that we will be able to use 12 full maintenance slots in the future.
If we want to compare the type of the aircraft, what we are doing, let's say that we continue in the same manner as previous year, Boeing 737 all types and Airbus A320ceo family. So in this moment we have 4 lines of Boeing and 3 lines of the Airbus. But during the season, this breakdown will be changed a little bit. So also we will continue in 2026, beginning of 2026 with MAX, the same as we done the previous year. So we will continue to build our MAX capability and the experience. So we will have the 2 checks again. There is huge possibility that the Q2 in the 2026 we continue with 767. Now we are on the tender. It should happen March and April. So maybe we will have the full line during the summer season with 767.
And so it should not be a surprise that based on our heritage, our structural capabilities, our strong MRO capabilities, we are exploring again if a passenger to freighter conversion can play a role for base maintenance. In our other departments, we invested heavily in the engine shop. So starting now, we are almost at GFM 56-7B capability. We are talking to the first customers there. So we will also take our engine shop to the next level.
I'm proud to say that we increased our base maintenance department with 15% of interns, and this is significant. This new generation project is something that we are all very proud of, and we are heavily investing in knowledge and expertise and skills of young mechanics and technicians and engineers, and they are our future. We really rely on them. I have to also point out that we have a great cooperation with Serbian educational system, and our partnership with Aviation Academy, our partnership with Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Faculty of Economics are actually very, very fruitful. And our programs are raising a new generation in Serbian aviation. And to be in the center of all of that, I'm personally very proud of, and all our management team also. I believe that we are putting in place the right organization and the processes which will enable all generations actually to feel comfortable in their roles, to make sure that our business and reputation are handling well, and that the future of MRO in Serbia is really bright with us. So I believe that HR department has a crucial role to enable the environment where talent can thrive, where expertise and knowledge can be recognized and rewarded.
And last but not least, we are in a happy situation that our line maintenance stations continue to grow. We are talking to new airlines here in Belgrade, but also in our outstations, to make sure that this mix of line maintenance, base maintenance, and engine, together with our components and calibration, will provide a sustainable basis for the years to come. So besides our international customer base, which we see mostly in the Middle East, in Turkey, in Bulgaria and other countries, we are obviously also keen to support our domestic airline here, Er Srbija. We share a joint history, and going forward we are obviously interested to be their partner in their ambitious plans to grow their fleet, especially on the Airbus aircraft. And obviously we're here to serve them not only for the line maintenance, but also for the sea checks.